and K, ank, word family. Replacing an initial sound. Ank. We're going to put a B in the front. Bank. We're going to replace the B with an L. Lank. We're going to place the L with an R. Rank. We're going to replace the R with an S. Sank. We're going to replace the S with a T. Tank. We're going to replace the T with a Y. Yank. We're going to replace the Y with the BL. Blank. We're going to replace the BL with the CL. Clank. We're going to replace the CL with the CR. Crank. We're going to replace the CR with a DR. Drank. We are going to replace the DR with an FL. Flank. We are going to replace the FL with an FR. Frank. We're going to replace the FR with the PL. Plank. We're going to replace the PL with the PR. Prank. We're going to replace the PR with the TH. Thank.